Talking matters health, a compromise for a waiver of intellectual property rights on vaccines against COVID-19 has been reached between four major manufacturing players, according to the World Trade Organization, calling for other member countries to be convinced. The World Trade Organization chief Ngozi Konjo on Wednesday highlighted the decisive progress made by the European Union, the United States, India, and South Africa on a waiver to the agreement on the trade-related aspects of intellectual property rights for the production of COVID-19 vaccines. In the United States, the Chamber of Commerce has already expressed its opposition to a waiver of intellectual property rights. The technical agreement must now be confirmed at the political level, according to the entourage of the French Minister Delegate for Foreign Trade, Frank Riester. According to the same source, of compromise on the table would only be applicable to developing countries and only to those representing less than 10% of annual world exports of vaccines against COVID-19, including the factor China. The compromise does not aim to dismantle the current intellectual property system, but to facilitate the granting of compulsory licenses in the face of COVID-19 pandemic, but also for future health crises. Under the WTO agreements, a compulsory license exists, making it possible for public authorities to use a patent without the authorization of its holder, a system that provides for compensation to the group at its origin.